Hello everyone, welcome to 6th Arduino tutorial. So today we will discuss about LCD screen. Here is the pin description of LCD. It has 16 pins, some of which are data pin, power pins and many more. Okay, so now let's understand the wiring of LCD with Arduino board. Here is my Arduino board and breadboard. So first of all, drag your LCD on breadboard. Let's rotate it to 180 degree. Okay. My LCD is of 16 by 2, which means it has 16 columns 0 to 15. Okay, and then 2 rows 0 1. Okay, now let's connect the wire. Here's the pin number 1 of LCD, which is to be connected with ground terminal of Arduino. Okay, let's change the color of wire to black. Okay, here's the second pin of LCD. It is connected to the 5 volt of Arduino board. Okay, right. And third pin is used to adjust the brightness of your LCD. Okay, and you can adjust your brightness by using a potentiometer. Okay, suppose if you don't want to use this potentiometer, then directly connect this wire to ground terminal of Arduino board. But here I am using potentiometers, so I am connecting the output of potentiometer to pin number 3 of LCD screen. Okay, let's change the color of wire to yellow and connect other pins to ground, black, and then other pin to 5 volt. Okay, red. Let's connect these wires so that they could short with each other. It's black. That's alright. Okay, now here's my fourth pin. It is the resistor select pin and it is to be connected with pin number, let's say 2. This pin is to be connected with Arduino pin. Okay, and I'm connecting pin number 2, which is my, let's say, blue wire, and pin number 5 is read write pin. Okay, suppose if you want to read something from LCD, then you have to connect the pin number 5 of LCD with 5 volt. Okay, but here we are not reading something from LCD, we are writing on LCD, so that's why we'll connect pin number 5 of LCD with ground. Here's my black. Okay, 6th pin is my enable pin. Okay, this pin will also goes to Arduino pin. Make sure you have to connect with digital input output pin of Arduino. Okay, and pin number 7 to 14 are my data pins. Okay, but to display a message on LCD screen, you can use any 4 pins between these data pins. Okay, let's say I'm using pin number 14, 13, 12 and 11. Okay, 11 is to be connected with 4. These are my data pins. Sorry, I forgot to change the color of wire to blue, and here also to blue. Okay, and pin number 12 also goes to Arduino pin. Let's say pin number 5. That's it. Next pin goes to pin number 6 of Arduino board, and that's alright. And last data pin goes to pin number 7 of Arduino board. Okay, last 2 pin are backlight pin. Means you want to, there is a backlight in LCD screen. If you want to turn on this backlight, then you have to apply 5 volt to pin number 15 and ground to pin number 16. It's an optional, but here I am using these pins, so that's why I am connecting pin number 15 to 5 volt. Let's change the color of white to red, and this pin goes to ground, black. Okay, so let's zoom out it. Now connect 5 volt to breadboard. This is my 5 volt, so let's change the color white to red. You can cross check it also. Yeah, true. And connect ground. My black wire. Okay. So that's perfect. Okay, so now let's understand the programming part. It was my wiring part. Okay,